3. Measures. This, not the possessive, lesson 4, is called a measure, and is one of many measures used in Taiwanese. The measure must be used whenever a noun is modified by a number or certain other words, which we shall study later. Thus,
四骨號四字 A， 一個人。
one person. One, in Taiwanese is
一
person is
人
but to say one person, we must use
嘅
which is the measure for
人。
The English language has measures, but a limited number. A lump of sugar, a string of beads, a quart of milk, a slice of bread, a piece of meat, etc. In Taiwanese, every noun has its proper measure. Is the measure for many nouns including
人 門 thang⁷-á¹-mn 學生
In this lesson, we also have
領
as the measure for clothes and
本
as the measure for books. Constant drilling is required to acquire the habit of using the measure with the noun. It is not always easy to define exactly what type of object requires which measure. Learning the proper measures must often be done by listening to how the people use them.
四骨號四字 B， 兩個人三個人。四骨號四字 C， 四五個人買來。四骨號四字 D， 有75-6個人來。四骨號四字 E， 有89個學生買去。四骨號四字 F， 有27個老師。四骨號四字 G， 有2個門3個thang⁷-á¹-mn。四骨號四字 H， 有4個人來2個無來。
For people came, 2 did not come. Note, when the noun is not stated, as in the second part of the sentence, the measure does not change tone. This is also true of the possessive, lesson 4.
四骨號四字 I， 你袂買一領無？四骨號四字 J， 11個買去。四骨號四字 K， 我有14領衫甲17本冊。